Good morning, boys and girls, or good afternoon. I'm not sure when you will view this video. This video is made for you guys that were not able to join us this morning on our live for math, or it's for you boys and girls that need maybe some review or want to look back at the math lesson because you're still maybe not getting something. So I've created this PowerPoint, this slide for you guys and for me to be able to teach you the lesson. So Miss Levi and I decided that we're going to go back and we're going to review some lessons. So this is Module 4, Lesson 1. So a lot of this stuff is going to look familiar to you guys. You guys have already done it, so it should look familiar. So our objective for today is compare the efficiency of counting by ones and counting by tens. Okay, so our target is I can talk about when I should count by tens and when I should count by ones. So we're going back to Lesson 1, counting by tens and ones. So this is going to be our warm-up for today. So when we look at these numbers, we know that these here are number bonds, okay? We should all know that. So this is just a warm-up to get us practicing. So for number 5, when we think of 5 and two numbers that we could add to get to 5, we could think of, let's say, 0. 0 plus what equals 5? Well, 5, okay? Then we need another one. Let's say 1. 1 plus what equals 5? 4. Okay, another problem let's think of, well, we've used 0, 1, let's use 2. 2 plus what equals 5? 3, that's right. Okay, moving on to 6, we have to come up with 4 number bonds for 6. Well, let's start with 0 again. 0 plus what equals 6? 0 plus 6 equals 6. Okay, 1. 1 plus what equals 6? 5. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 2. 2 plus what equals 6? 4. 4 plus 2, or 2 plus 4 equals 6. You guys can be thinking of some of these on your own as I go over them, okay? So we've used 0, 1, 2. Let's use 3. 3 plus what equals 6, guys? 3. Good job. Okay, moving on to the number 7. We start with 0. 0 plus what equals 7? 7. 1 plus what equals 7? 6. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 2. 2 plus what equals 7? 5. And 3. 3 plus what equals 7? 4. Okay, the number 8. 0 plus what equals 8? 8. 1 plus what equals 8? 7. We use 2. We know that 2 and 6 make 8. Okay? 3. 3 plus what equals 8? 5. Now you guys could come up with different ones for this. These are just ones that I use to be able to do this lesson with you guys. So, moving on to our application problem. We have, so it's an RDW, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that, maybe my face is in the way. But this is an RDW. So, Joy is holding 10 marbles in one hand and 10 marbles in another hand. How many marbles does she have in all? Well, we know that it's easy to just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in one hand. And the same, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in the other hand. But wouldn't it be easier just to count by tens? So if we had a quick 10 to represent one hand and a quick 10 to represent another hand, we would have 2 quick 10s. How many marbles is in 2 quick tens? What is 2 quick tens worth? 20, because you have 10, 20. So how many marbles does she have in all? She has 20 marbles in all. Okay, good job. Now we're moving on. So let's look at 12 scattered cubes that I have on my screen. So I'm going to move this. I have to move some of these in here so we can see them all. How many scattered cubes do we have here? Well, we could go around the screen and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But is that the most efficient, the most easiest way to count these? No. What should we do? I think we should create a 10, like we do in class. These are just like the cubes we have in class. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and count with me as I'm putting them on here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, let's count these again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know this is a quick 10, right? Which is worth 10. 1 quick 10 equals 10, okay? Then we know we have these as our ones. So we have 10, go ahead and count with me, 10, and then we count by ones, 11, 12. So how many cubes did we have scattered on the screen? We had 12. So let's go back to our slide. So which makes it easier for you to see 12 quickly? Well, we just discussed that. We connected those cubes into 10, and then we had our ones left over, so we just counted 10, 11, 12. Okay? So if we go here to this slide, let's make a number bond to show the cubes we grouped and the extra cubes that we added to the grouped cubes. So we had 12. So 12 is our biggest number, so that's going to go on top of our number bond. 12. And what did we divide 12 into? Well, we could say we divided 12. 12 was divided into 12 and 0. But then we took those 12 ones and we connected them until we made a 10. So we broke it up into 10. And then what else did we have? 1, 2. So we broke it up into 10 and 2. So you can see here, 12 is broken up to 10 and 2. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Good job. So now we're going to move on. You guys are going to be doing the problem set. Let me move my face here so you can see. We're going to be doing a problem set that you guys are going to have to do on your own that's on the Google Classroom. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a couple of problems from that problem set on this slide today. So the problem set, each group of these is 5. So if we know this is 5, 5, 5, 5, well, the easiest way is to just know these two make 10. These two make 10 because 5 plus 5 is 10 and 5 plus 5 is 10. So we know if this is 10 and this is 10, we have 10, 20. And we count by ones. 21, 22, 23, 24. How many carrots are there? 24 carrots. Okay. Now on your problem set, it's easier to see that these carrots are 5 because you could count them by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you could group them into tens and group it into tens. And then you know you have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay? So moving on, let's look at this one. We know these are tens. So we know we have 10, 20. Now let's count. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So what? Now this one we're making a number bond. We're not just writing the number of how many carrots there are or how many apples there are. We're actually breaking that number, the total number, into a number bond of tens and ones. So we know that this is 29, so that goes on the top. If we look at 29 and we're trying to break it into tens and ones, we know that the tens place is 2. 2 tens equals what? This is where you guys have some problems sometimes. 2 tens equals 20. Because if here's 1 10, here's 2 10. 10, 20. So it's broken into 20. And then what's our ones place? 9. 20 and 9. 20 plus 9 equals 29. Okay? That's that problem. That's number 11 that we did together. And then we're going to move on. And on this number, they're giving you quick tens and ones in this format, like we draw sometimes when we have to draw quick tens and ones for a number. So we know that these are tens. We could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones. So we know this is 10, 10, and 10. So if we count, well, first let's look. Is this a 10? No, it's missing some cubes in order to be a complete quick 10, right? So this isn't a 10. So we know when we get to here, we're going to have to start counting by ones. So we have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Okay? That goes on the top of our number bond. Now what would be our tens place in 37? It is 3. This is our tens place. 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, is worth how many? 10, 20, 30. Okay? Our ones place is 7. So how many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 ones. So that completes our lesson for today. So what you guys need to do is you need to go to your Google Classroom and you need to go to your classwork, okay? And then you're going to come down, you're going to scroll down. Let's see if we can find it. To math. Right here you're going to see lesson 1 problem set, okay? And you're going to open it, okay? And this is your problem set. So you're going to put your name. So you're going to type your name in there. And all of these are multiple choice, boys and girls. So you just go in and you select the correct answer for how many each objects are in there. For 1 through, I believe it's 8. Yes. You're going to select the correct amount, the number. So here are your choices for how many objects are in each picture. So you're going to go ahead and do that. And then on number 9 and 10, 11, and 12, and maybe all the way to the bottom. Yes, but on these you have objects. So 9 through 12, you have these objects. You have to count them, and then you have to select the correct number bond that shows the amount of objects in that. And then from 13 to 16, you're going to do your quick tens and ones in the cubed format, okay? And then you're going to select the correct number bond for those, for the answer for those quick tens and ones in the cube format. So you guys go ahead and you can use this video to go back and see how we did some things, see how we did some of those problems if you need to. But make sure you get this problem set done. And I hope that this helps. And maybe we could see you in our math class tomorrow. Math is from 9:45 to 10, but we start classes at 9 o'clock. So it'd be good to see you guys, those of you that missed us live, to get in there to be with us from 9 until 10:15. But this is your math lesson for today, April 6th, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a great day, and thank you. Bye.